one thing from my own personal experience is that so I was working remotely, and then Freya was actually going into the office 5 days a week. And she saw that I could work remotely, and she was like, "Oh, I'm so jealous. Like Jasmine's at home all day, while like I have to travel into work, like commute at like 7 a.m. going to the office, and then come home at like 7 p.m. while like I've been working remotely at home." So then she brought it up to her boss and be like, "Oh, like what if I work like 1 day remote? Like why don't you start trusting me with 1 day?" And then 1 day became 2 days, and then now it became 5 days, and she moved to Japan. So it totally can work, but it depends on your boss and the type of work you're doing. Obviously, it like if you're a doctor, that won't be able to work, but because as creatives and our work is very like not limited to the office, so we're very, very lucky, and we're really grateful and we recognize that our skills is not limited to a space. So yeah, so that's just my story and how it happened with Freya.